Fits 2 inch Olympic bars, designed with 8-inch long pivot bar sleeve and 4-inch long base post to fit 2-inch Olympic bars and weight plates. Easy to install with secure knob. Insert bar and weight plates over 25 pounds, into the sleeves and tighten the bar in place with a secure knob. Full 360-degree swivel, full range swivel up and down for variety of exercises. Great for total body core workout, traps, biceps, back, shoulders, abs, hamstrings and much more. Heavy gauge steel construction. Pivot sleeve made of thick steel and base post of solid steel with electrostatic power coating for overall secure attachment and durability. Great for strength training programs. The angled barbell facilitates movements that are simply impossible with a traditional barbell or dumbbell. You can increase the difficulty of many exercises such as deadlifts, squats and single arm rows presses. Top reviews from the United States. Great product. I used to be the guy that wedged barbell in a corner of gym to get the landmine effect. Always liked this exercise. So I built a gym at home and was shopping for a landmine. Now there are so many types and could be pricey. I found this one after reading reviews and am completely satisfied. Can't beat the price and durability. It's simple and not made out of gold.